So you're creating something cranberry. Well, the recipe only calls for a quarter to half a cup, being a single person. Now the rest of that bag is sitting in the fridge, totally judging you. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you 5 ways to use these up today, other than the obvious cranberry sauce. For our chutney, we're gonna start by sauteing a little bit of shallot. We're gonna add a little bit of ginger, tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a teaspoon of brown sugar, get the berries to pop, mash the berries, and you're done. For our mostarda, we're gonna cook the berries with a teaspoon of mustard powder, 2 tablespoons of white wine, a tablespoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon of cayenne. Once again, berries pop, mash them, and done. We're gonna cook the berries with 2 tablespoons of water and add that to a grating mustard after they pop and we mash them. Then add in 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of oil, a bit of Dijon, and a little squirt of honey. You can also add some to a salad. Then we have our cranberry vinaigrette. Give it a little shake and then pour it over that salad. You can also add a handful to your smoothie, or cook some up with some water until it starts to pop and add that to a yogurt. So cranberries can be both sweet and savory. It's completely up to you. All the recipes for the mustard, the mostarda, the chutney, the salad dressing, this smoothie, and more are on my website, and links are down below in the description. Cook for one, waste none, and be savvy. And then we have that raspberry vinaigrette. And then we have our